welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie, and today I have something really exciting to share with you. We are going to be talking about the latest updates from Canva, and this was just released a few hours ago. And this will be available to free users as well as Canva Pro subscribers as well. So, without further ado, let's get started. All right, so I have 5 new Canva features that I'll be sharing with you right now. So the first one would be the new frames, and I'm going to show you that in a little bit. And then the other one would be something that would really excite a lot. It's actually more gradient shapes because I see a lot of gradient designs lately. And also there would be scribble line elements already. So I'll be giving you the code or the text to search in order for you to find those elements. And of course, retro pixel element set that will be available for Canva Pro users, and modern Memphis elements that would be also free for Canva Pro users. Of course, the Retro Pixel Element set as well as the Modern Memphis Element set will also be usable by those on a free account. But then again, when you download your designs already, you will then be asked to pay. All right, now I am logged in to my free Canva account so that I can show you the updates that was released just a few hours ago. So today is July 19th, 2019, and these are fresh from the oven. All right, so I'm gonna open a file right here, a template, Instagram post that is, and we are going to look for the new frame. So I'm just gonna delete this text right here, and let's say for example we are going to open this one up. All right, we are going to choose this template because I like the colors at the back, and then I'm just going to delete the text that's pre-written on the template already, and I'll go to elements in order for me to search for the frames that are available. And right here, as you can see, I've already played with the Memphis design earlier today. And if you have not done any search, or you have not recently logged into Canva yet, or you have just created your account, then you will not be seeing this recently used. So you have to go to grids, charts, and then the third item would be frames. So click on all so that all the frames will be displayed. So here you go. Here are the fresh updates. As you can see, there's now an iMac screen. All right. So in order for you to put something right here, all right, you have to select the all right, Summer wants to say hello, everyone. All right, so now you have to choose this frame and then go to your photos. Let's take a look at my uploads right here, and then let's pick a photo. Say we want to use this, so you just have to drag and then drop when you're ready to drop the photo and you are satisfied with how it looks already. So you can also double click and then you adjust it, or you adjust it like this if you want, depending on your liking or the display that you wanted to see. So there you go, we're okay with that. And then we go back to the frames again, and then you can also see here that there's even an iPhone X Max screen. How cool is that? All right, so there you go. And there's also a MacBook screen, a laptop screen in general, an iPad screen there. So I'm really excited about that feature because I really like displaying Mac-ups. So this is a great help for me. So I'm sure this would excite a lot of you out there. And if this is the first time you're looking at frames, then I recommend for you to start experimenting and trying to integrate it in your designs because it's really awesome. All right. So now we go to more gradient shapes. So here you go. These are the shapes, but you can also try to search for, if you go to elements and then you type gradients, all the gradients will appear. So there you go. I can see a lot of new ones already, and I'm sure all those who are excited to see more gradients are really ecstatic right now and maybe even celebrating for joy. I'm one of those. All right, so there you go. So many elements that you can choose from. You just have to type gradients. All right, so we go to the third installment for our updates today, and that would be the scribble line elements. So what you need to use to search would be, you know it, scribble lines. All right, so there you go, the scribbles. So it's good to incorporate this on your quotes or on your designs that are far too simple and you want to integrate a little bit of fun or a little bit of excitement per se on your design. So you can use the scribble lines. All right, so there you go. Some of these are available to premium as well. So when you download, and if you are on a free account, then you will be asked to pay. So let's try and take an example. So this says it's premium. So if we use it, I'm just going to change the color so it's more visible for you. There you go. So you can see there's a watermark. So that means it's a premium element. So I'll show you when you click on download. It says here that you have added a premium image and you have to pay $1 for you to be able to download it. All right. So that's it. But for the Canva Pro accounts, there are some elements that are free, so feel free to check it out. All right, now retro pixel element, let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so there you go. So if you are sentimental, like you cannot forget your Super Mario games and that stuff, then this is something really exciting for you that you can incorporate on your designs. So there, Pac-Man, anyone? All right, so the next update would be the Memphis Element. So it's really modern. It's one of my favorites, and that is the reason why I decided to record this video immediately, because I really wanted to share about all these updates. I was just sleeping earlier and I was, when I read it, and then I decided, oh, I better get up and record something because this is something that really excites me. So you just have to type in Memphis and the Memphis designs will appear. Now, again, we are on a free Canva account, so that's the reason why you are seeing some money amount or premium, or that is the dollar value or the dollar sign, because this actually costs something. So if you don't want to pay for any of this and you really want to use them, I highly recommend for you to try and subscribe to the Canva Pro account. It's just $12.95 per month if you will pay monthly, and if you will pay and subscribe to the annual plan, then that's $9.95 per month multiplied by 12 months. All right, so if you have any questions about all these updates, please do let me know. All right, oh, and by the way, before I end, let me just show you something really nice about Memphis. All right, so let's say, for example, I'm just going to remove the background so you can see the design even more. Say we wanted to use this one and you don't like the colors and you already have brand colors right now. So all you need to do is just to change the color if you want. There you go. And you can update whatever you like. You can choose whatever combination that suits you. All right, so that's same is true with the gradient. You can also personalize the gradient if you want to. You can change it with your brand colors. All right, so that should be it for now. Again, if you have any questions, please do let me know. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell as well, so you will be notified when a new video is up. So that's it for now. Again, my name is Katie and thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead and try Canva right now and create wonderful projects. Bye!